Hey, what is going on everybody? Josh Quinones here with Everything Android, and today's video is all about my Galaxy S9 Plus and basically what I have on it. What do I keep inside my phone? I've had a couple of requests to do a video like this, so I thought, hey, why not do it today? So yes, we're gonna go ahead and start with the outside of the device. As you can see, I got the always on display. I leave it pretty simple. This is how it came out of the box. I didn't change anything about it. I like it, you know, I just pull my phone out, the time's already there, the date, how much battery life I have left, the little home button on the bottom, and it kind of has these little cool star effects in the background. So I'm loving the always on display. And go around back, I got this case by Ring Key on it. I really like this case. It's nice. It's got a nice finish on it. But yeah, this is the outside of my device and how I keep it. Let's go ahead and unlock the device. Got a nice little effect right there, animation. And here we are. This is my home screen. Now, I don't go crazy with putting stuff on my phone. I only got 3 screens. So this is my main home screen. Like I said, I don't go crazy. I try to keep it as simple as possible. We'll start up here. What I have up here, I use a widget called Beautiful Widgets, which you can get on the Google Play Store. And you can basically set it up how you want your time to look, the weather animations to look. So that's pretty cool, you know, setting this up. It looks nice. And then on the bottom of that, we got the Google search bar, and then we have the phone, messages, Chrome, and the camera on the bottom. Now, scroll over to the left, I got my calendar widget, and that's basically all I keep on this screen. I like to keep it nice and big so I can see, you know, what I got going on that day, stuff like that. Go over here to the third screen. Up here, I keep my live count, my YouTube subscriber live count for both of my channels. Got my Everything Android and then my JQ Vlogs channel. So it's pretty cool. I don't actually have to go into the app, which I have right here, you know, shows me what I got going on. But that brings me to the next thing. These are my different folders. I got my editing apps on here. For those of you that don't know, I record all my videos using my smartphone, and I edit all my videos on my smartphone. So right now, I'm actually recording on the Galaxy S8 Plus, and I will probably edit this video on the Galaxy S8 Plus and upload it from there as well. But most of my videos from now on will be recorded on the Galaxy S9 Plus. So yes, these are my editing apps that I use. PixArt for my thumbnails, Legend for the intro. Sorry about that. Pixel Lab also for my thumbnails, and then Power Director for the video editor, which I just recently started using. Still getting the hang of it, trying to get used to that editor because the Samsung editor is no longer available for the Galaxy S9 Plus. It is for the Galaxy S8 Plus, but not the Galaxy S9 Plus or the Galaxy S9. Anyways, so right here, next folder, got my social medias. If you guys want to follow me at Josh Quinones, JOSH_QUINONEZ. That's both for my Twitter and Snapchat. I also use YouNow every once in a while. Got my gallery over here, my movie apps, Netflix, CW, Vudu, Showbox. What else is next? We got the Play Store, my YouTube apps, regular YouTube, YouTube Studio, my subscriber count, and then right here I got a folder for my other apps. But yes, that's basically, like I said, I keep it simple, 3 screens. If I need to get to any other apps that I don't have there, I just go ahead and go in my drawer. But yes, I got also this special theme right here. This isn't a stock theme. I actually got this theme off the Samsung store. So like I said, this is I like it, you know, gives it a bit of a different look. And yeah, that's basically what I got on my phone. The theme's pretty cool. I'm liking it, digging it. I keep the edge lighting on for whenever I get text messages or phone calls. Pretty cool. The screen lights up all around the edges of the device, which is a pretty cool effect. Got the enhanced sound, Dolby Atmos as well. My always on display in a C, location. Nothing really too special going on here. But yes, this is it, you guys. This is what is on my Galaxy S9 Plus. Let me know if you think it's boring, or hey, if you like simple, then you like simple. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. And if you have a Galaxy S9 Plus, Galaxy S9, or any other type of phone, how do you keep your device? Do you like to go crazy with customization, or are you like me and you like to just keep it simple? You know where everything is and it works for you. You guys let me know down in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber already. Turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come. And if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. You guys, I am Josh Quinones with Everything Android. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.